I don't get big from time to time. Mhlambe sengibe khona about 3 times or so.
Ake nje mhlawumbe mangabe umbuzo omncane futhi ithe uma ubona lento eliyona manje uqhathanisa nasekuqaleni mhlawumbe umehluko ubuhle nje manje
khona mkhulu njengomuntu nama-consumer ama-services akhona babone makhulu especially ey'ndaweni zomphakathi lezi efana ngabe zi-attracta i-tourism azikho kuma-standards efana ngabe zibe khona kona engicabanga ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe umasipala into efana i-adresse leyo la ngikhuluma ngey'ndawo mhlawumbe zama-parks ama-beach namanye ama-facilities bese kuthi enye into ekuzoba ama-programs ayi-involve kakhulu umphakathi noma i-youth ama-programs ayesevuthiwe ngaleso sikhathi nawo ayashoda so manje uma bekungenzekile ukuthi involve umphakathi lento esibiza i-social cohesion iyancipha nayo ngoba i-social cohesion yenzeka if umphakathi uyafika ukuthi nabo they are part of the city through ama-programs ababa-involved kona ngaba ama-sports ngaba ama-state education and many other things as well.
Mhlawumbe ngasohlangothini ithini labantu bokufika bangakanani manje kubona ukuthi abantu bakhala ngokuthi iy'ntolo zonke nje zisawukhuphuka ngo-West Street abantu bokufika uma ngabe kuthiwa nje kuyaklinwa bavala bonke.
Ngibona manje I was shocked mangifika la ave ku-empty nje futhi wangampela I think isithi ngibisenebhedini yokuba nabantu abaningi abadlula i-infrastructure yabo yabo ngoba ngabe mhlawumbe indawo zokuyingcebeleka indawo zokulala njalo namanzi ama-services manje ngiyawubona umahluko yabo ngoba usho i-budget esinayo ayilingani ukuthi accommodate bonke lantu abangaziyo inamba yabo ukuthi bawobani enye into futhi uma bekwenzeka beshona without ukuthi babe registered kuba nzima ukulocate ukuthi bawobani yabona uthotha basaclainywa ama-relatives abo ngoba ama-relatives abo wayekhangaleni bese be-end up bengcwatshwa as ama-paupers yabo so zonke into ey'fana lezi azikho right but then also most important uma kukhona for instance umntwana obulewe noma ingane ereyishiwe kuba difficult ukutracer ngoba la bantu they are not registered lapha so lokho sesikubonile kakhulu kwenzakala ziningi ingane seziba ama-victims because of that.
Mhlawumbe uzokugcina nje ngama-paintings khalwa ngokuthi ama-paintings amaningi ahijackiwe ama-Nigerian osisi abarentayo abamalento bama-saloon bakhala ngokuthi barenta kuma-middleman okuyinto enza ukuthi i-rent ibize kakhulu.
Hhayi-ke lapho-ke babulele ngampela ngoba futhi enye into abawa-maintain la-ma-buildings yabo amawindi awanawo amanzi awanawo ogesi abanawo uma bukhona umkokotelo yabo
so uthenga ngasemakugesi uma uphelile uzolinda uma kuyi-weekend kuvulwe ngande
iyayibulala i-town leyo nto ne-income yakhona yabo iyayiphazamisa nje kakhulu so ngicala ngithenge izinto efana ze-address so-ke ukuthi umuntu uma ekhona asisho ukuthi bangafiki abafike kodwa they must be registered bazi ukuthi bakhona so right uma beconsume ama-services they are catered for.
Kama khona nje ongathanda ukusho mhlawumbe abantu nje baphathi bethu
mina ngifuna ukuncoma abantu ukuthi noma bezile upresident ekhuluma umphathi wamaphoyisa ekhuluma kodwa bazange babe ne-slowdown bafikile la there is only one person ongalelo lizwe ibona njengama-owners ale country le so siyabakhuthaza ukuthi abaqhubeke lapho umkhandlu umasipala abaphathi zemali bamandla they must know that it's time now to listen to people. There is no way they can govern without people's involvement. That is the statement that they must get from today on.